Hi there, welcome to MELI's English learning videos. In today's video lesson, you will learn the difference between two very common words, since and for. Let's give it a start. Since and for are two of the most common prepositions of time. They are confusing for English learners because prepositions are used differently in different languages. Both since and for are used in the present perfect tense to talk about an action that began in the past and is still in progress. Since refers to a specific point in time in the past when an action began. For example, number 1. I have taught English since 2015. 2015 is the specific point in time when my teaching began in the past. Number 2, she has studied business since March. Number 3, we have played cricket since 8 a.m. On the other hand, we use for with a period of time. For example, number 1, I have taught English for 6 years. 6 years is the period of time between 2015 and 2021. Number 2, she has studied business for 6 months. Number 3, we have played cricket for 4 hours. So, let's rewind our lesson. Today, we've studied the difference between two very common prepositions of time, since and for. Since is used with a specific point in time, while for is used with a period of time. Thanks for watching.